80,000, about 75,000. So getting all those feet into the stadium becomes a bit of a problem.
And I think it's like you said, there's a lot of factors, and people have been at work. They have to travel here, so that does also contribute. So I understand, and like I said, safety first.
Well, Jerome Damon letting us know that 15 minutes delay is what we have here tonight at FNB Stadium. We want to get the game going, but Lwazi, that's how it stands right now.
Thank you very much, Tato. Thank you to Jerome Damon as well. You've heard it, 15-minute delay, so instead of 19:30, we are hoping to be kicking off by 19:45. For the time being, though, a quick breather. We'll see you after this.